Uh, what do you think about this idea? Like a cover band that didn't play regular music, but played only commercial jingles, like we'd now like to open up with the O'Reilly Auto Parts song. Do you think that might work?
That's a unique and entertaining idea. A cover band that plays only commercial jingles could definitely stand out and attract an audience. People often have nostalgic or humorous connections to jingles, and hearing them performed live could be both amusing and engaging. It could work well for themed events, advertising conventions, or just as a novelty act. The key would be to deliver the jingles with energy and a sense of fun to keep the audience entertained.
Well, that's great. Are you able to sing the O'Reilly Auto Parts song?
I can't sing, but I can certainly recite the jingle's words. Oh, 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 O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's catchy and memorable, which is why it works so well as a jingle.